How do awareness in phonology across dialects and speech patterns affect the development of phonemic awareness? Variation in phonology across dialects and speech patterns can actually have an impact of the development of phonemes awareness. When children are exposed to different dialects and speech patterns, it helps them become more aware of the different sounds and phonemes in language. This exposure can enhance their phonemic awareness skills as they learn to recognize and differentiate between various speech sound. It also promotes a more inclusive and diverse learning environment. In my class, I'm going to have different techniques in teaching the students. The first technique I will be using is matching words. I will show two different words to the students on my box slide, or I'll write the words and show them two different words is cat and car, and I will ask them if they both are do they both have the same matching words together, and I'll wait for the answer for them to say, and then we'll repeat the words and say whether they are the same matching word or not. Cat and car. The next techniques I'll be using is isolation sounds. I will give them the word candy, and then I'll ask them what's the beginning sound of candy, and I'll wait for them to answer, and I'll give them couple of different words, and I'll ask them to tell me the sound of the beginning sound of the words. The next one, blending sound. I'll give them different words. For example, jump, and I will tell them to give me each sound of jump, and I'll give them multiple words to work with. The next one will be segmenting words, and again give them a couple of words, and I will tell them to sound the words for me. Cat, sat, play. And the last technique is sound manipulation, changing the sound in a word. For example, pan to man. And I'll ask them to come up with their own words and write at least two words each. This is the technique I'll be using in my class. Okay, the next question is how do readers' characteristics, motivation, text complexity, and purpose of reading impacts comprehension and engagement? Readers' characteristics, motivation, text complexity, and purpose of reading all play a role beyond comprehension and engagement. Reader characteristics like prior knowledge and reading ability can influence how well someone understands and engages with text. Motivation is important because when we're interested in a topic or have a personal connection, we are more likely to comprehend and engage with what we're reading. Test complexity refers to how challenging the reading material is, and it can impact comprehension and engagement. Lastly, the purpose of reading, whether it's for pleasure, information, or a specific task, can also affect how well we comprehend and engage with the text. So, all these factors work together to shape our reading experiences.